Good afternoon, it's Robert Miller with Sea Days. We are 2 days away from our 10-day vacation aboard the Majestic Princess. Can't wait. We'll be doing the Sea of Cortez and really looking forward to it. I wanted to take a couple minutes to just go over what I'm packing for this vacation. Okay, so I've got everything laid out here. I'm going to be taking a couple of swim trunks. We're in a warm weather climate, so obviously I'll need more than one. I've got fitness wear, 3 tank tops, 3 walking shorts for that. Those will serve for also walking around the deck. Got socks for working out, socks for dress, and for evening. I'll be packing all of this into these packing cubes. Okay, plenty of underwear, shorts, 6 pair of shorts, number of t-shirts, dress style t-shirts, a number of shirts with collars. I'm not doing anything formal on this. We had our formal pictures taken on our last cruise, so we're going to keep this one casual. 3 hats, several pair of pants. We are supposed to have a couple of cool evenings, so I do have a puffer jacket just in case we hit some unexpected cooler weather. Just need 1 belt. For shoes, I'm taking my water socks, sandals, flip-flops for around the pool, tennis shoes, and 1 pair of dress pants, or shoes. And then this will all go, with the exception of the shoes, this will all go into my checked bag. This is my camera bag, which will serve as my carry-on. I'll do a separate video covering everything that I've got packed there. My dot bag, which will have all my personal essential needs that I have, that I'll need while I'm aboard. Medications, complete supply of medications. Julia will have the actual full allotment of medication just in case something happens, we get extended for any reason. I'll have plenty of medication, and then also my vitamins, and that will about cover it. That'll take care of everything.